This is why you should never wear a half helmet. I'm gonna be smashing this realistic dummy head with this stupid half helmet into my toolbox at like 50 miles per hour to see what the damage is gonna be. So before we get into the carnage, I highly recommend all motorcycle riders to wear a full face helmet with DOT, ECE, or Snell on the back, minimum. So I bought this little half helmet off Amazon for like $30 or whatever, and it does say DOT on the back, but come on. What is this really gonna do? So your whole face is exposed. There's a study of like 30% of all impacts, your chin is the thing that's hitting the ground. So this is gonna be a pretty damn realistic test of what's gonna happen if you fall off your bike and you hit something stationary that's pretty hard. So I personally have two 6D helmets and Shoei helmets for their quality and the safety and the features and how it fits my head. So if you look in the description, you can find the link to all of my gear that I currently own. And one more thing about this realistic dummy head I have here. So this is Ballistic Dummy Lab. They make heads, torsos, and even full body stuff that a lot of people have been using to make some awesome pictures. So check out these thumbnails of other people like shooting these things, blowing them up with wire. It's pretty damn amazing. So once I watched a bunch of those videos of like, oh, I want to get me one of these head things, and maybe I'll figure out a motorcycle thing to do with it. So this is what I come up with. And keep in mind, everyone, before we get to the video, I have a second one like this. I bought two of them. So if you have any other cool ideas I could demonstrate with my other dummy head before it gets destroyed, let me know. And no, these guys are not a sponsor. They didn't send these to me for free. I bought two of them for myself. And I just think they're cool products and they're the most realistic dummies. I mean, look at this thing. It's like rubber for the skin. It's got the whole bone structure, everything, even the skull. So it's pretty damn realistic. So let's see what's gonna happen if you fall off your motorcycle and you hit something pretty stationary or heavy with the stupid little half helmet. And keep in mind, this is only gonna be about 40 miles per hour, so. All right, everyone, so I got my realistic dummy head here, and I'm gonna be driving down back towards the table and trying to throw this out the window to slam directly into the toolbox. And I had a little practice dummy one right here too, so that kind of worked. This thing's pretty heavy. 15 pounds is an average head, so here we go. Oh yeah, absolutely smashed it. Let's see what he looks like. Smashed it. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at his whole chin. Chin is absolutely broken open. Look at that. Face all busted. Look at that. Look at the skull. Here, let's bring it over to the table. Oh, there's pieces of the skull. Grab the skull. Here's the jawbone. Yeah, so let me take off this stupid little helmet. And keep in mind, everyone, if you crash once, you're not going to hit your head just once. It's probably going to be a tumble, right? So there you go, look at him. Oh yeah, completely shattered. The whole orbital bone, your skull, here's your jawbone. There you go. How's that? part of your tooth. Absolutely jacked up. All the way around. Look at the whole back of the skull is, oh look at, there goes the skin. Whole back of the skull is open. There you go. Oh, and there's the blood packet. That didn't explode. Got the blood packet still in there, red blood. But yeah, look at it, just absolutely fragmented. Yeah, wow. Here, let me take off the skin. There goes your face. Look at the skull. There you go. There's what's left of you people if you decide to keep on wearing a damn half helmet. Okay, there's a blood pack. I'm surprised that didn't explode with blood everywhere. Wow. Oh, you still got some of your jawbone over here. There you go. You can see her face. Stop wearing half helmets. They're worthless. One more quick little deep scratches, gouges. Yeah, look at that. Completely done. Yeah.